Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on Huawei P60 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open the app gallery. Right here, let's locate the Epic Games launcher. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. We'll need to allow many different permissions or whatever this is, and then update the app if necessary. From there we can see the Fortnite, and if you click on it you can install the game, and that confirms that this device does support it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.